Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the lineup of Shark grills from Tactik for the Jeep Wrangler JL, the Jeep Gladiator JT, with some variations also being available for the slightly older Jeep Wrangler JK and even the Jeep Wrangler TJ. If you're looking to change up the front end of your Wrangler or your Gladiator with some bold, aggressive styling to set you apart from the other Jeeps on the road, then you have to check out the multiple Shark grill options from Tactik. No matter which you choose, they're all crafted from durable ABS plastic that's sure to stand up to both on and off-road use. They're also designed to be a direct bolt-on, requiring no modification to your Jeep to get them installed. Of course, they can simply be installed as they come out of the box with this black grill, or you could drop them off at your local body shop to have them paint matched to your vehicle for a truly custom look. Now, right now I have the Bull Shark grill installed on the front of our Willys Wrangler. There's also a Tiger Shark, a Great White Shark, and a Goblin Shark grill to choose from. We also have two versions with LED running lights built in. There is an option for the Goblin Shark with the running lights, as well as the Reef Shark grill. As I mentioned, there are two versions also available for the older Jeep Wrangler JK and even the Jeep Wrangler TJ that you can check out by clicking the info button to head to Quadratec.com. Now, getting these grills installed on your Jeep is a very easy process. Should just take you about 15 minutes in total. We'll start by popping the hood on the Jeep so that we can remove the pop clips holding our factory grill in place. Now, we will be reusing the factory weather stripping from our original grill that's simply held in place with some push clips. After we remove that, we also are going to be removing these two foam isolators, one from the driver and one from the passenger side of our grill. After we get our factory grill out of the way, we'll be transferring over the weather stripping to our new Tactik Shark grills. Depending on which grill you choose, there may be some slight assembly required. We'll be attaching the two wings to the outer edge of our Bull Shark grill here first. Then we can go ahead and install that weather stripping by simply pushing it into the pre-drilled holes along the top edge of that grill. Finally, we can attach the two foam isolators, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and then install the clips along the bottom edge. All that's left to do is go ahead and snap it into place and re-secure it with those factory clips we removed earlier. It's just that quick and easy to change up the front end of your Wrangler or your Gladiator with bold, aggressive styling to set you apart from everyone else on the road. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase any one of the Tactik Shark grills that I mentioned, you can click that info button to head to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the grills or how to get them installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to Quadratec.com. If you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.